So we've been here over an hour. Thetford police station. We were unlawfully arrested last night. Was released from Wymondham about an hour and a half ago. They stole my car keys, moved my car to McDonald's, which is a really safe place. Been told to come to Thetford police station to collect my car keys, and an hour later, I still can't find them, and the wankers won't even come back now. This is the fucking police for you.
I wonder if they've left any information out that they shouldn't leave personal information.
Nah, they don't operate here, do they? Just wank out back. So now we're going to have to break into our own home. I'm going to have to get my spare car key, come all the way back up here just to get my fucking vehicle. Look at this box.
Yeah, we'll be doing that later.
Yeah. I have no repercussions.
Should everyone just knock? All knock on doors and shit at the same time. Yeah.
Put your bottle of water on it.
Heavy enough.
Nah, shame.
Should we call 999?
Hmm.
Someone stolen our car keys and our house keys because they have. This is theft.
Yeah.
I'm worried about the officers in the police station because we're ringing and nobody's answering.
Yeah,
I think I'm not being gaslit.
This is terrible, isn't it? We're in a police station and no one's answering. It's ridiculous. You got a tape on you?
Let's have a go.
What on earth
Thank
is
God.
going on? Is this a joke? Are you
Take the
taking
piss.
the piss? We've been shouting for an hour.
Hang on a minute. Look, we know you're not looking. You know you're not looking. So how long are you going to keep this up for? No, you're not.
Where could they possibly be?
How big is this police station? How many places are there? Where
I'm trying to find where they are at the moment.
and have you got when keys come in? Do you not put them in a safe deposit box?
Yes,
Or
system, okay?
yeah, why can't you get into it?
You going and making noise down here, distracting me from looking for it.
No, it isn't
Right,
because
you're
you're
not
not
gonna find
looking.
the keys.
You,
You are not looking for the
are not
keys.
looking for the keys. We know you're not looking.
I'm not
You're not looking. You're not looking
Where are
because
you looking
how
then?
can
Where
it
are
take
you
you an
fucking
hour in a police station this size? How can it take you an hour to get these people's keys?
Where
They're
are you
obviously
looking?
not here.
Where are you looking?
Okay.
Under the sofa? What? In the toilet? Where
Can-
the fuck are
can
you
we
looking
come-
for them?
Can we come in and give you a hand? Because we'll help you find them.
No.
Where could they
You need
possibly
to
be?
ring. Don't you
Don't
dare
walk
to
away.
You are getting a
We
complaint.
need.
I swear to God, you are
Oh,
fucked for
okay.
this. He's not going to get. They're not looking for
I
the
know.
keys.
I was going to ask him about alternative things like fucking
Yeah,
getting
we're
us
not
back
gonna
into
do
the
that.
house.
Just keep ringing. Just keep fucking ringing.
We're not going to fucking find them.
They're not.
They're not looking for
Deliberately,
the
they're not
keys.
looking. They're not
We'll
looking.
just fuck off and sort it out. I'm not staying here all night.
No. They're not. They're not looking.
No.
You might as well just go. They're not looking.
They're not interested then.
I want some tape to take this down.
There's some sort of tape in there
Somewhere.
on the outer order thing.
That's magazine tape on them as well. On the window.
Where?
Magazine tape on the door.
Fucking joke.
Where?
What a fucking joke this shithole is. Over an hour still looking for a fucking set of keys. Fucking disgraceful.
Fuck you, you fucking bastard! You fucking